First of all, we're going to use 3 different alloys. We're going to use silphos, which is 15%. We're going to use silver, which is 45%. And then we're going to use a plumber soft solder. The first 2 joints I'm going to do using silphos with no flux. And we are ready to start. We have to keep our alloy on there because it will heat up as the metal heats up, and it usually just takes a few seconds. There you are right there. That one is done. I'm now going to go to the next one. Once again, we will start in a second here. Keep our alloy there. It's just a matter of a few seconds. There you go right there, and that one is done. Now I'm going to remove those 2, and I'm going to use the silver. And we'll show you these joints in a minute. Now I'm going to use silver. Once again, we need to hold the alloy to the metal. And now we're doing 5/16 copper. And there it is right there, and it is done. Now we're going to use 3/8" copper. And now we're ready for this one. Once again, we need to hold the alloy there. This will be a few seconds longer because it is much larger copper. And here it is right there, and it is done. Okay, our last but not least is now we're going to use the plumber's soft solder. And we're going to do a plumbing joint. We're going to actually do a coupling here. We're going to do both sides at once. Now, just hold it on there. It will only take a couple of seconds. There's 1, and there's 2. And it is done. And we will release. I am going to show you that plumber. You have a better look at that one there. As you can see, all the way around. It's a beautiful joint. I'm going to show you the other joints that we've made also. The 3/8". If you take a look at that there, beautiful joint all the way around. The silphos with the 15%, one more time. As you can see, the beautiful joints. On the 1/4", the same thing here. All beautiful joints. And also the 5/16 silver. As you can see, they're all beautiful joints. Thank you.